So definitely saree wearing is a practice. As you wear it more and more times, you'll get better at it. You figure out for your body type what is the best thing and all that. But this is with the palla down. Then if you want to pleat it, then you take this end of your pallu, and again you do the same thing. This can be a little bigger than the pleats that you put here. So you start doing this. Now you take this hand, pull it here and dust it. Dust it from top like this. Yeah. Using this hand, you can arrange these pleats. So you organize them like this. And again you hold it higher up. What you can do to make it easy is you can pin this. Once you get this right, you pin this. This pin you don't need paper because you can take it out. So that even if you let go of it initially when you're practicing, so it's still together. So you keep dusting it till it kind of falls well. And at this point you can remove this pin, or you can put this pin here actually. You don't need to put it so much at the back.